Football now, defending champions Portmore United will be looking to maintain their lead atop the Red Stripe Premier League table as they host UAFC at the Prison Oval come Sunday. Simon Preston looks at our preview.
Back-to-back victories over Mount Pleasant Academy and Arnott Gardens have given the defending champions maximum points to kickstart 2019. But they haven't defeated UWI since December 2017, and coach Shavar Thomas will be keen to register a third successive win.
Definitely mentally, and we just want to keep our team, our guys in tune and concentrate for long periods of the game. And with that, we have the quality and we are good enough to win.
Cavalier, who sits second, are 2 points behind the leaders, and they will be looking to extend their unbeaten run to 12 games this season as they head to Clarendon to play Humble Lion. They'll be banking on their solid away form to keep up the pace with Portmore.
My only concern now is that we have played 3 games in less than a week. If you notice, I had to pull out my 3 top midfielders because I did so much running by the end of the game, so they could get a little rest. Not much rest, but they got some today. So Humble Lion gonna be difficult, but you know, we are good on the road.
But Humble Lion have set a goal to improve their form at home.
Now we have made a New Year resolution, so we're going to defend our home. Cavaliers come in, they're playing good football. You know, all we have to do is just rebound, be positive, take all the positive from this game and just keep working.
Montego Bay United are on a 7-game winless streak, and they will be hoping to put that right as they host Mount Pleasant Academy at Westpow Park.
We just have to. It's been too long for us now. We lost 6 or so games, we lost them, so that's 15 points lost. We need to win a game by all means necessary, and come Sunday we have to tooth and nail. We have to fight every last drip of sweat that we have in our body. We just have to put everything in that game and go out there and win it.
Mount Pleasant Academy have only scored 3 goals in their last 5 games, and they want to find their shooting boots for Sunday.
We are working on goal scoring. As I can see today, we get 2, and hopefully next game we can get 3 or 4.
In other games on the day, Dunbeholden will take on Tivoli Gardens at the Royal Lakes Complex, while Reno travels east to play Harbour View at 7 o'clock. The Monday night fixture will see 5-time winners Arnott Gardens taking on Waterhouse at Drewsland. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.